Hey guys, Bondo here. So we're gonna have a little fun. There's a guy, one of my subscribers' wife, married Joe in West Virginia. She doesn't like our Here Comes the Mud, so he wants me to mess with her. So we're gonna do that today. I think I hear mud coming in the background. We're gonna be pouring a little footer today. Stay tuned. What's that I hear? Oh, Mary Jo in West Virginia. Here comes the mud! Whoop, whoop. We're gonna pour some footers today. Let's start over here. Here comes the mud! Hey, Frank! Mud's here, buddy. Get your boots on. Here's the mud. Mud's here. Here comes the mud. That's what I hear. Here comes the mud, Frank. Hi, buddy. Here it comes. Oh, what do I hear? Here comes the mud. Whoop, whoop. Here comes the mud, guys. Here it comes. It's the tea day. Rolling in. Here comes the mud. Okay guys, we've got some Nudura here, and looks like there's some mice living in it. There's a mouse nest. I gotta clean it. And here is what's inside this. It's all mice feces and everything. Disgusting, stinks. Oh my god. This one's got some in it too. And that was in the package. So we're gonna wash it up. Oh. It stinks bad. That's all mouse crap, basically. Like it, Roy?
Nope.
Yuck. Roy's gonna wash it up with the scrub brush. Don't puke, Roy. Ugh. And if you're wondering, yes, there was mice in there too. This one was alive till I stepped on it. There's another one. Yeah, really nasty. Rotors chasing mice all over the place. Ro, did you catch any more mice, buddy? He's sniffing all the blocks, boy. They're disgusting. Ro, did you catch any more mice, buddy? He's sniffing all over the place, looking. He smells them. It's pretty gross. These blocks been sitting around in this shop and they stink. The mice must have got in there over the winter. Okay guys, 2 days into the Stone Road project here. Here's where we're at. We got our crawl space / short basement built here. It's 6.5 feet basically.
I can walk perfect.
Yeah, Biscuit can walk through here, except when there's beams. There's going to be beams in here. There's going to be actually some beams that go down through here. Actually, Jay, that plate right there has got to come off anyways. That's right where that beam pocket is. Yeah, so we got to fix that. There's got to be a couple beam pockets in here. We got the seam splice. That's a common seam with all those splices on it. We put our scaffold to the outside, guys. We got our blocks in here with our string lines. So that's how we did that. Going along there for straightening the wall. Like I said, the scaffolding's on the outside of this project. We're ready to rock and roll there. Got planks up, walking planks. We're gonna try to do this with a conveyor truck on Monday. Today is Friday and it's beer 30 here today. We did a driveway. Me and Biscuit helped a friend pour a driveway this morning, and then we came over, all of us, and got the rest of this built. And there's a porch here in the front. You can see all the rebars I stuck out of the wall there. There's actually going to be concrete blocks tying into the Nudura there, and that's going to be a porch on the front. That's all going to get filled in with gravel on the inside. It's just this big stem wall. Rowan's here today, right, Bum? He didn't do much though. Laid under the trailer and rested all day. We're parched though, aren't we, Rotor? We got to get something to drink. Dad's thinking about a beer. You're thinking about some water, aren't you? Biscuit's up there doing some final touches. That's what we're up to, guys. We'll catch you Monday. I'll probably include that pour with this video on Monday. Thanks for watching. Right, Ro? Say thanks for watching. Ro, thanks for watching, guys. What?
It's going right there.
That's a porch. We're gonna do that out of concrete blocks just to save money. Just waiting on mud, guys. That's what we're doing.
Where's the mud?
Frank, this is cutting into our drinking time, buddy.
You ain't shitting.
Come on.
You betcha.
Jeez. This is bull crap. Monday morning, or Monday afternoon. We want to get this poured.
It would have been nice if they showed up at 2 originally, you know.
Yeah, it was supposed to be here at 2. They changed it to 3 because they had some issues evidently. Stay with us. We're going to try to get this thing poured out. Oh, what do I hear, boys? About time. It's like 20 after 3. Supposed to get concrete at 2. Oh, here it comes. Sean on the conveyor today. Circle T, baby. Here comes the mud. Frank. Here it comes, Frank. Where'd Frank go? Frank's always on the here comes the mud part. Ro, come here, buddy. Come here. Rowan, get away from that mud. Come on. Come on, mud. Get in here. We got beers to drink. Right, Ro? Tell him we got beers to drink. You gonna make me turn that truck around, or you gonna do it? Well, I'm trying to get a video here. Stay, Ro. Stay. Come on, Sean. Turn around, Buckshot. Attaboy. Give her hell, Taco Bell. Oh, you got a beeper. Stretch your boom out. I want to get you down in here. What? Right here, where Frank is. We're going to shoot that towards that corner, however far you can reach. And we'll work our way this way. Alright? first day.
Well, I ain't no cameraman around, you know.
Try to keep your movements to a minimum as you're walking around. Because when you bounce around, it takes really footage.
You become a professional cameraman, haven't you?
Pretty much. I know how to make it. Hey guys, Bondo here. I'll show you what's going on at the Stone Road project. You want to make a batch of mud, buddy? This is what we're doing. There's a front porch on this, so we got ICF going up here. That's all poured. We got this is how we tied it in, guys. Basically cut the webs out of the blocks. So I stuck these rebars in before we poured, so they're cast straight into the Nudura wall. And this is what we do. We cut the top of the blocks out and stick those bars right in the blocks. And then we're gonna fill this section of the block with concrete. We'll use some good flowable concrete, core fill, and we'll do every 6 feet here, probably 5 feet on this front porch with rebar in it. And that will tie everything together. So that's how we do it. And we'll have to waterproof this part of the wall because this is all getting filled in with dirt here, guys. So this is like what I'd call a hybrid. It's like a Nudura hybrid. So the reason we did this is because this block wall here is much cheaper than Nudura right now. Nudura's running $68 a block, and then you got to put the rebar in there every course, and then you put in your vertical rebar, you know, every 2 feet. So the Nudura is very expensive right now. So these blocks, I mean, you can buy a concrete block for a couple bucks. So it's more work for sure. But all this gets buried, so you don't see any of this. And there's 9 courses here. So just the way we started way down deep here, and with this crawl space, that's just how it ended up here. So let me show you over here what's going on. Yesterday, the boys formed up this footer. So this is what this is looking like. This is the garage, guys. This is gonna be the garage. 64 feet deep. It's like 34 wide, I believe. Have to check the blueprint, but so this is all got it. Once we pour this concrete here, we got to pull our rebar up and hang it off our spreaders today. But we're going to pour this today, and then we will fill in all this right up level to the top of the footer before we even start laying blocks, and put our perimeter drain around here. We got our perimeter drain around the main house and the front porch. That's that. We use the good pipe, guys. We don't use that black flexible stuff. We use this good pipe right there. 3 wall, very high crush rating, and we bury it with stone, obviously, and we'll put Marify paper over that. Here again, more rebar cast into the wall here. that's going to tie into the block wall, because this garage here is the same thing as the front porch. It's going to be all blocks, buried, both sides buried. The floor is going to be way the heck up here, the concrete floor for the garage. So just the way this project is, it was really low in here and swampy, so the excavator brought in like 3 feet of this cobble rock, and we started on top of that. So the boys are over there getting a wire ready. Roy's mixing me up a batch of mud. We got to put this is going to be a cellar entrance from inside the garage here. So we're going to basically have a block wall coming out over and back. The floor is going to be up in here, and you're going to walk down a set of stairs from in the garage into the crawl space slash short. It's not really a crawl space. It's 6.5 feet high, so it's a I don't know. You can't really call it a full basement, because you're gonna have to duck under the beams, but it's gonna be a deep crawl space, so you don't have to crawl. You can walk to work on your utilities and stuff. And there we go, guys. We're gonna lay some blocks, and we're gonna pour this footer later, so I'll get some video footage of that.